Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edwina Dorber, and as you guys can tell from the title of the video, today I'm going to be doing a Mayvenn hair unboxing. This is a standard lace front Indian natural straight wig, 24 inches, and today I'm going to be tuning the knots and also giving you guys an ashy black girl blonde color with an install. Mind you, this is my first time ever putting a blonde wig on my head, and I'm doing the glueless method today to install this hair. I'm gonna be using a lot of lace spray because I don't like using lace glue. I don't like the after effect that you get when the lace glue is like lifting up. And then also I'm gonna be using the blow dryer and then the lace band, as Ikin said, band for an hour, okay? Okay guys, let's get right into the video. We're going to be using a purple shampoo, mixing bowl, and a brush, and then also we need a honey brown dye, and then obviously ebony glue spray. Do not come for me, come for somebody else. I'm going to be mixing conditioner with the honey brown dye. The reason why I'm doing this process is because you know how your knots for your frontal look like is not your own hair. This is going to give scalp. And then also we're going to be using Got2b glue spray to spray the flyaways. This process, after I'm done with it and after it sits for about 5 to 7 minutes, is going to give scalp. Like, it's not going to look like you have like a wig on. So that's the reason why I'm doing this process. It looks so good, and I'm super excited to go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, this color is literally matching my skin tone, and I'm here for it. I'm gonna take the purple shampoo, put it in warm water, mix it together, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of the honey brown dye, put it in the mixing bowl, and then go ahead and dip the hair in. This process is gonna change the hair color from like yellow undertone to ashy blonde. The remaining of this video was recorded vertically instead of horizontally, and I just want to go ahead and apologize. I was recording my YouTube and Instagram video at the same time and forgot to complete my YouTube video. Everything will be zoomed in, and also I'm going to be adding music to the background. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm Back and Better squad. Also go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions about this video or if you want to see more videos like this. I love you guys. Stay tuned and watch the remaining of the video.